going to do a quick review. This is the Eachine E511S. This is the GPS version. I reviewed the non-GPS version previously. This one has, I guess the gimbal goes up and down. Small camera there. I'll show you that. There's controls here that will move the gimbal up and down. You have a takeoff and landing button and compass calibration. Set down and launch the app. So we have video here. You can point the camera up. Also point it down. I'm actually, so if you want to do compass calibration, you press this and then you have to rotate the drone horizontally and then the controller should beep. There you go. And then you have to rotate it vertically. And the controller should beep again. There we go. So we're calibrated. And we're just going to use the automatic takeoff button and should just go ahead and hover. Let's see that. Hold it? Nope. It didn't work. So maybe it is in. Oh. I'm going to try using the app instead. Let's try the app. Sometimes that'll work. So no unlock. So maybe it's, there we go. Now it's locked. So it's down and out to unlock, and then hit the takeoff button to take off. So you can see it's drifting a little bit. Okay, so it looks like we don't have a GPS lock. Yeah, it doesn't seem like the GPS is actually locked. So I'm going to land it and see why. If I land it. Alright, so for some reason there's no GPS lock, and then there's no indication on the screen as to why. It just says here 4 satellites, so it's possible that the tall buildings here might be interfering with the GPS. So we can wait a little bit, but I'm just going to fly it around and maybe not use some of the GPS functions. So we're going to go ahead and unlock it again. And take off. So you can see the video that's coming from the camera, and we don't have a GPS lock, but it's pretty stable. But it looks like the video is a little bit frozen. So let me possibly the antenna is a little in a weird spot. So let's turn it. So we have 5 satellites with no lock still. Can point the camera down a little bit. So basically, without the GPS function, it's pretty much like the non-GPS version, the E511, not the S. And I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to be able to get a lock around these buildings. And this is the only spot that I can fly at right now, so fortunately I'm not going to be able to demonstrate any of the GPS functions. Okay. Yeah, point at that. So I just will just fly line of sight and show you how it flies. Okay, so I think that's good enough demonstration of how it flies. I'll go ahead and land it. Okay, so just hold the stick down and it will stop the props. That's pretty much it. Quick little demo of how the Eachine E511S works. You can't get a GPS lock here because of the tall buildings. That's pretty much what I expected. But just a quick look at it. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys.